Okay, squirrel stapler, here we go. Alright, so my wife is dead, and I need to staple squirrels to her because she's ugly. Yeah. So I'm gonna go staple some squirrels. But first I gotta read this note from the pentagram. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. I got some bad news for you. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Where are them squirrels at? He's coming right for us. Dude, I can hear them, but where are they? Well, time to staple some squirrels. Alright. It's squirrel time. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Use the call. F. Alright. So, I need the big squirrel and 5 other squirrels. It looks like a pretty big squirrel to me. That's a pretty big squirrel. Oh, crap. I didn't mean to do that. Damn it. I need more bullets. Aha, I see bullets. Aha. And also whatever the heck this thing is. Ah. Oh. Energy drink. What is that? Oh. Vengeful ghost squirrel? What happens if I go up to it? Oh! Very cool. Okay, I had... Is he running towards me? Oh, I'm the goat at this game. I just need another squirrel. Oh, those squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruits. They've been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animal carcasses. Oh yeah, I knew that. Got some squirrels. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. These are not normal squirrel tracks. Yeah, because they're freaking huge. Something out here is hunting me. Maybe it's the big squirrel. There you are, you piece of crap. I'm gonna get this note first. Squirrels use chemosensory leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antenna. What? Okay. Yo, big squirrel, where you at? There we go. What is that? Squirrel bear. Oh, God! Oh! Oh! Alright, I gotta go home because I'm about to die. Alright, I need to go this way. I'm like across the freaking map. No! Aha! Oh! Where'd the health thing go? I need it! Oh, he's hot on my tail. Got some squirrels. What the heck? She was hungry, I guess. Wait, does it say something new? Rather like the righteous squirrel. Righteous squirrel. The wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Cool. And this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherever squirrels may die, so that the squirrels may live. Just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die. God's coming tomorrow, apparently. Better to hide than to fight. Cool. Ah, crap. How do I keep missing? Oh, no! Wait, let me back in. Ah! Oh, God. Aha! Double speed. But I don't really care. And I'm here. Another energy drink. I'm saved. Oh, God, I missed. Take that, stupid freaking squirrel bear thing. Make a Scroll Stapler movie, and I should be the main star. It would only make sense. Alright. What? Oh my god. Come here, boy. Yeah, there are enough squirrels for today. Ah! Oh! Oh my god! I would have made it. And this way the squirrel... I already read that. Ready for some squirrels, honey? Okay, that one's like right there. And I say unto you, in those final days, and the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. Oh God. Energy drink time. What's my last tip? Good luck. Okay. I heard that. Ah, come on. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! No! Ah, damn it! Damn it! I was so close. God is coming today. Maybe God should come quicker so I can freaking win this game. I got the double squirrel. Oh yeah. A bonus double squirrel. Yo. Why are you running? You're running towards me. There are more squirrels and you have bullets, and you've made her very, very angry. Okay. We'll see about that. Alright. Yo, it's over, squirrel bro. Yo, ran pat. Dude. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I need to prepare with bullets. That's it. I'm going on a squirrel rampage.